Hello everyone, welcome back to Shib Experts. We've just shown that $10 is real, so get ready and stop working forever. Shib updates. In order to increase its payment options, TOA recently partnered with the lending payment gateway BitPay. As a result, collectors and enthusiasts will have more flexibility to purchase NFTs with their preferred cryptocurrencies. In this video, we'll talk about experts who have just proven that $10 is real. Get ready and never work again. Shib updates. Please remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to view our most recent information on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Now, let's start the video. Two of these well-liked NFT editions, created by law-based illustrator and animator Ronald Kwong, also known as SE Light, are now exclusively available for purchase on Topi.com through Ethereum. The platform now offers Hunters in the Snow, a painting by Peter Bruegel the Elder, and Mirage, a piece inspired by the KHM's amazing architecture. With its headquarters in Lisbon, TOA is a digital marketplace that specializes in non-fungible tokens. Portugal's platform offers an easy-to-use interface for purchasing and selling a variety of digital collectibles, such as virtual real estate, virtual clothing for avatars, virtual art, and virtual games. With TOA, users can explore a variety of NFTs, meet new artists, and easily take part in the expanding digital art market. The official Sharam documentation is ready, according to a message from a member of the Sharam Tech Telegram group. However, savvy developers have not yet released it since they are still going over the finer points with Cathie, the primary developer for Shiba Inu. The administrator also mentioned that developers might produce something other than the docs. What's left to be seen is that the docs are finished, and the admin stated that we'll release more items than just the docs if we can. Notably, well-known Inu influencers Shib Knight at Army Shiba and Lucy at Lucy Shib are among those who have contributed to the slight delay. The message was also shared on Twitter. You can see the tweets below. Recall that the developers had originally said they would release the documents 1 week after the beta version of the proposed Ethereum Layer 2 solution launched. The beta version was released on March 11th and is now almost 2 weeks ago. Additionally, on March 16th, a call on Twitter stated that the docs would ship in 4 to 5 days. Bears also out that the project has received a lot of criticism recently, the most serious of which is that someone has claimed that the code was lifted from another future project called Renia. However, the creator of Renia has refuted this charge. The anonymous shibainu lead developer Shoi Kusama previously pledged that Sharam would draw in users from outside the Shibu ecosystem and act as a learning platform. It also vows to burn Shib with every transaction, a promise that has the community thrilled about the possibility of a drastically discounted token. Supply that can witness a rise in price because to their holdings value. Shibainu is an Ethereum blockchain-based token that runs on a peer-to-peer network without the need for a central authority or middlemen. It has produced amazing returns, turning many people into millionaires or even billionaires. Shibainu's low cost has also contributed to its popularity by making it available for microtransactions. Its success can also be linked to its sound rationale, which has paid holders extraordinary gains and helped it establish itself as a stable member of the top 20 cryptoverse with daily trading volume of almost $500 billion. Based on on-chain data, Shiba Inu is now having difficulty recovering from a recent downturn. The Shib's pricing could be hampered by a slowdown in network expansion and pressure from long-term holders wishing to sell their holdings. Comeback. Recent data from Glassnode shows a declining. There have only been 1,759 new addresses added to the Shiba Inu ecosystem since the beginning of March, which is a sharp decline from the 5,575 addresses added just 1 month earlier in February. This decline may indicate that people are becoming less interested in the coin or are shifting their attention to other virtual assets. The Shiba Inu community is facing challenges beyond a decline in the number of new addresses. Sentiment data indicates that holders of long-term tokens appear to be liquidating their holdings, which has resulted in a substantial sell-off and further depressed prices. Unless the trend reverses, the decline in new addresses on a blockchain network can indicate a lack of interest in the platform's core services, which could present a challenge for shibing in the coming weeks. On-chain data indicates a lag in active addresses, which measures the number of participants involved in successful transactions on the network. The most recent information, the drop in active Shiba Inu addresses to just 106,000 over the last 30 days, indicates that SHIB users may not have been as motivated to use the token for transactions. This trend's likely reason is the SHIB's recent poor performance, which resulted in a notable 18.65% decline in the same time frame. The popular cryptocurrency may recover at all under the current circumstances, but market analysts and SHIB investors are forced to speculate. One interesting development is the SHIB's burn rate, which has increased by an astounding 5,000%. In normal circumstances, a rising burn rate typically leads to an asset's increased value due to decreased supply. This phenomenon is rooted in the fundamental principles of supply and demand, which state that when an asset becomes scarce and demand remains consistent or expands, its price should appreciate. Despite this surge, the token's value has remained flat, with no significant change observed over the past fortnight. May retake control if SHIB breaches its present resistance level at 0.0012, which would cause the price to rise more steadily. Shibainu has demonstrated signs of life recently, rising 5.6% in the last few days from 0.102 to 0.178. Despite underperforming in the past, Shibainu remains a beloved and favored token among cryptocurrency enthusiasts thanks to its large and devoted community. Many investors have taken notice of this slight but noteworthy increase and are now keeping a close eye on the token's performance. Inu's success can be attributed to its ambitious future plans, which include building its own stablecoin, dubbed Shiba, a blockchain, and becoming a global exchange of value, which has garnered the support of numerous cryptocurrency investors and supporters. Investors are also aware of Shiba Inu's intentions to introduce the Shiba blockchain. Shiba seeks to give developers a platform to construct decentralized apps, or DApps, and to establish a completely community-driven ecosystem. This action by Shiba Inu is anticipated to boost the token's usefulness and maybe raise demand and value for the token. The Shiba Inu community is steadfast in its efforts to decrease SHIB supply and increase the value of their unique token. Through 10 different transactions over the course of the last 24 hours, the Shibu community lead burn initiatives have permanently removed 27,668 SHIBs from circulation. Despite the large burn, the wallet that is mysterious manages to send 14,1980 SHIBs to the burn addresses in a single, strong transaction, making it the most significant burn transactivity of the day. Shibu community has burned 1B789M 15,447 SHIB through multiple transactions in the last 7 days. The most significant burn transaction happened yesterday when Koyo Kyo, a newly launched token, sent an astounding 758M 951 740 SHIB to the dead wallet in a single transaction. Ku has been actively contributing to the Shiba Inu burn since March 10, Shiba Inu's overall burn rate